Welcome back to PC1, where we've been busily building the infrastructure to build your helicopters. At the end of the last update, we've just started producing the mezzanine level here at PC1. This is a crucial piece of infrastructure that allows us to create the temperature-controlled environment we need to produce the precision metallic components for GT50 and HX50. Since the last update, we've managed to complete the metallic structure, get the staircases in, get all of the first floor flooring down, and start to build all of the fireproof walls around the entirety of this structure, including the partitions downstairs that create the metrology lab and the production control lab. Up here, we now have a space that is twice the size of DC1 that will allow us to have our wiring loom production, our avionics production suite, our trim suite for producing trim components for the interior of HX50, and all of the glazing components that we need in terms of drape forming and also vacuum forming. All of those activities go on up here in individually partitioned and controlled areas. It's a massive new space, and we're essentially ready to go with it. So when you're up on top of the mezzanine, it's clearly a big production space, but it's only when you're back down here on the ground floor that you can see the scale of this environment that we've created. The under ceiling height for the machine shop is 5 meters, and that's to make sure that we can get new machines and equipment in and out of this large service door, as well as laden forklifts with batches of components for both HX50 and GT50 into and out of the shop, up to the mechanical assembly area and into stores as required. Let's go and have a look at the data wall in the production control area. So this is the machine shop production control wall. And what we're doing here is we'll be mounting a series of monitors that display real-time information from the production control system about the flow of material and the process of jobs on each of the machines within the machine shop, and then the flow of material out of the machine shop into other areas of the production facility. This wall will provide real-time information for the team working here and also everybody else involved in the production of various components for the aircraft and engine. Let's take a look around the machine shop. So now we've got the structure of the mezzanine up, we've got the roof in, now we can start building the fireproof details, complete the fireproof walls, put the fireproof ceiling up, and install engineering grade lighting, all of the air conditioning and temperature control equipment we need. And then the final stage is for these machines to be once again calibrated and laser aligned to our precise standards, and then we're off and running again, making precision components for both the engine and the aircraft. But of course, precision is nothing without control. And so to be up and running again, making precision components, we need our metrology lab up and running again. What you can see over here is the new metrology lab, all of the facilities brought over from DC1 and a new temperature controlled room specifically for measuring all of the new precision components as they come out of the machine shop. This is about twice the size of the original one, as it's designed not only to complete development, but to complete the initial stages of production as well and keep up with those volumes. So our CMM machines will be in here, our surface measuring machines, our roundness machines, and a lot of the gauges we need for production control of high quality, high tolerance components for both aircraft and engine. And then with all this new space being created, it seems only fair that we allow Mark and the production engineers to move in to a new office and off the factory floor. This is the new production control office, connected directly to the machine shop, connected directly to the metrology lab, in full view of the whole end-to-end composite production process, as well as being directly beneath mechanical assembly, electronic and wiring assembly, all of the avionics and all of the glazing and trim. From here, the production team can control everything that goes on in the factory within PC1.